Bahçeşehir University students start their careers with co-op, taking a step forward in business life. Thanks to co-op, which brings together university life and the business world, you can connect with many prestigious companies and experience business life while you are still a student. With co-op's strong ties to the business world and collaborations with partner companies, opportunities await you that will make a difference in your future. Join the internship program, where you can complete long-term internships at nearly 3,000 partner companies in the co-op program and gain work experience while still a student. Take courses from industry professionals and learn about the dynamics of the industry through branded courses. Attend seminars and workshops led by executives from your dream company at the Business Corner. Meet one-on-one with recruiters from partner companies through the Business Point program. Discover yourself and create your career with the Co-op Career Counselor. Experience a job interview with the Artificial Intelligence Interview Simulation. Meet experienced business professionals at Business Camp and share your CV. Start your business life one step ahead with the Bahçeşehir University Co-op program.